Do you not have a Great Awakening Assembly in your area? Is Yah calling you to start a worship hub in your area? Great Awakening is offering those who don't have a like-minded assembly in their area the opportunity to partner with us by launching an area strategic worship hub until a local Moreh emerges or is sent to that area to provide spiritual care and guidance for the worship hub. A worship hub is a group of people in a particular area that partners with the Great Awakening International. The Strategic Worship Hub watches the Great Awakening Assemblies International over a video, but has a leadership team that fulfills all of the regular duties until the group becomes a full-fledged assembly. For more information, go to www.greathebrewakening.org to find out more.